All right, guys. So today was a hell of a day in the market. We had two plays from the watch list that started to take off. So we did actually take entry on the Uber play for the watch list. We are still in it. I called it in my group, as you can see. Still in it, up about 30%. I think the most we were up was close to 40% in the day, but we are in this play holding it to the target, which is through the neckline, like I showed in the Sunday watch list, down into the gap, right? So we got all week for that to take place. The move could happen tomorrow. Let's see. SPY also flashed its first sign of reversal, right? We had a red closing day, not that much, about 0.03, but that wedge, that rising wedge, like I mentioned in the Sunday watch list, is forming, okay? So it's a really strong chance that we're gonna see SPY come down. For more details, you definitely wanna be in the group as we are calling updates. People are getting bangers every single day. This Uber play, like I said, that we're in is at almost 30%. It's gonna be a double up by the time we are through it. SPY is gonna be a triple up by the time we're through it, okay? Stay locked into the channel, and if you want even more instruction for just $40 per month, you can be as part of the Prosperity Collective, which, not just in my opinion, but many other people's opinion, is the best group on the internet. And we're talking about from a value perspective, meaning you walk away really understanding it, really being profitable, and we're not just taking your money. Yeah, I know all the other groups can't say that. I know a lot of groups like to withhold things. I know a lot of groups like to try to work you up a scale and a funnel and take you through all these hoops. But everybody that comes through our group, they become better, right? They learn, they actually get it. They get all the information. So we got some major earnings and some major news events that are taking place this week. So we're going to watch and see what happens for the rest of the week. But definitely keep your eyes on SPY, keep your eyes on Uber, as these plays are slated to do major moves, right? We already are in the thick of things, again, like I said, in Uber. But if you're getting in late, there's still opportunity. All right, I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Remember, it's always love over here. Peace. One more thing before I go. I gotta shout out the family, right? I gotta shout out the people who are making moves. Bazooka, shout out to you. First trade of the year, first trade of your life. New to trading, joined the Prosperity Collective last week and got a 30% banger, as you can see right here. All right, salute. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.